crew, it's ibyl, and today is going to be the takedown of the braided spirals. Stay tuned. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing the takedown of the braided spiral curls. As you can see, I've taken one of them down. So it definitely looks pretty short. It's short like how they're hanging in the braids. It's like a crinkly, curly, almost boxy like look. Yes. So I want to come to you all to show you all the way through. Like you all saw me put the braids in, put the wrapper locks in, and you saw the takedown in terms of taking the wrapper lock tool out. Now you're about to see the pulling, unbraiding, and pulling the locks apart to see how it looks now. Just want to take you all along with me on the journey because I enjoy sharing with you all, and hopefully it gives you inspiration for a style you want to try. I definitely plan to do this again. I'm probably going to speed up the video, and I'm probably going to do some of my hair on camera, and then I'll come back at the end and show how it all looks. Alright, so I'm going to sit down in my chair right here so your girl won't be all tired. Okay. So I put a little oil on my hair. Like, I literally braided this all the way down to the end, you all. Like, all the way down. So I gotta unravel the end. One piece of added difficulty, I got my nails done. So I got them dipped. First time I ever get them dipped. And I can't grab things like I used to. The dipped nails make me not be able to grab things like I used to. Shout out to you all who follow me on Instagram. You got a chance to see me take down the first one live on Tuesday. I'm telling when this video is coming to YouTube. So let's make sure if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to click the link in the information box below to follow me, because I could pop up on Instagram with a picture of inspiration for a style. I could pop up on there with a giveaway. I could pop up on there with going live. This is my first time going live. Thank you to everyone who's watching this video now, who tuned in to that live on Instagram. to go off camera to do the rest of these, and I'll come back and show you all the final results. Can you all see how long my braid is? Just pulling it straight out of the spiral. Braid is down here. If I let it go, see what it's gonna do. Look how springy they are. Still springy after 9 days. All right, so I started taking down the braided spirals at a few minutes to 8, and it is now 11, and I'm still taking these down. I have 7 more to go, well 8, because there's one right here. I have 8 more to go. So you wouldn't really be, oh no, I got another one. I got 9 more to go. I didn't even notice that one. So you wouldn't even know that I have those left because there's so much hair. It is super curly. I'm gonna try to turn around. You're probably gonna be able to see the ones that aren't done yet, aren't taken down. I'm gonna add some pictures. But yeah, it is curly, yeah. As I said, I have some that's not taken down back here. But it has a lot of volume. Yes, a lot of volume. And I have 9 more to take down. Like I said, I'm going to insert some pictures. Shout out to my fellow Sisterlock sisters who rock the braided spiral curls. This is Love the Locks We Rock here on YouTube and Instagram. She had the braided spiral curls and then she took the curls down, and these are the results. Kings and Queens 22 on Instagram. This is her rocking the braided spiral curls. The takedown adds so much value. So this is a picture of how her locks were so full after the takedown. Last but not least, we have RAF QT5 rocking the results of the braided spiral curls. Thank you, ladies, for sharing with me your pictures. You all were keeping it flying, keeping it fabulous. Anyone else out there who has tried the style, be sure to tag me on Instagram as well as messaging me. I love to see your results, and I'm glad I can inspire you all to try the style. Peace.